Good day, gentlemen and ladies. Today we are Saturday, the 3rd of August 2024, and I can finally walk over my floor. I put the humidifier also, make it run, and it's bone dry, 30% humidity. And as you can see, I put all my varnish wood planks in good order. So today my video will be about installing them, all the joint, the woodgie they call it, and also the wood planks on the ground. And also you're gonna see me dealing with all the electric fixture. How I'm gonna do that, I find a way. And hopefully you should see the wood cabinet there closed in with the wood planks. All right, so please stick around. Cheers. As you can see behind me, I bought also all the light fixtures that you see, and also all the variable electrical switch. There's a correct word for that, because I like to have dim lights. I got also all the lights bulb. They're all LED dimmable light bulbs. So I bought it everywhere at the local hardware here in Lac Saint-Jean, in Saguenay-Lac-Saint-Jean, is Potvin Bouchard. All right, so stick around. Let's go in the garage. I got something to show you. Very expensive. Cheers. For the weather report, it's 7 o'clock in the morning. It's already at 24 degrees Celsius. Oh, that's a hell of a heat wave that we got. Yesterday we had a few thunder shower, and it's all dry, but the humidity level right now is almost 90 degrees. So very nice time to work in cool 23, 22 degrees Celsius, 30% humidity. All right, so let's go in the garage. Cheers. So as you can see behind me, I am in process to change my ED teeth cutting blade to a 100 teeth cutting blade, and this one doesn't come cheap, and that's okay, because we don't find these blade in any you find these blades at the specialized hardware store, all right, who sell these type of meters, all right. So I'm gonna change that and stick around. Few years ago, when I was living in Shefford, I made a video on how I sharp these. Especially after when my good friend Joe used it, said, "Dave, your blade need to be sharpened." So I will put the link of video how I do sharp this. Is basically when the blade is on the saw, is I lock it in place, and I just use my angle grinder, the small disc, and I just pass over it, and I can feel it's still cutting. But for the very delicate wood cutting I have to do, that's why I bought the 100 teeth cutting blade, this one here. And this one is very good for and it basically all the yellow line you see there, that's for it. So and it's for finishing wood basically, so that's why I'm buying that, because I'm gonna end up doing a special angle, and perhaps, I don't know, but probably yes. So all right, stick around. Just a quick tip: I always use the package of the brand new blade to put my spare blade inside, which it's a great protective cover. I mean, it's made for carrying the blade and for this in the stores. So I always keep that. It's a good recycling way. It's a tough plastic, so that's why I do that. So I'm gonna bring the meter saw downstairs. All right, folks. So after some hard work, the wood planks are installed, and I will also install later on wood planks with the same design, so they all stick together. All right, so let's install the bottom wood planks. All right, cheers. All right, folks, so I'm pleased to report that I did all the wood planks touching the floor with the electric socket. I just have to varnish it a little bit. Of course, it looked nicer on the camera than in reality. But you know what? It's a basement, like my good friend Gator told us. Sorry about that. Hey, it's clean, and I'm very proud, very happy with the effect. So this afternoon I will attack the the one upstairs. So that would be interesting to see. So please stick around. Cheers. I finished my cover. I didn't put any hinges. Sometimes the simple solution came from itself. I'm just gonna do like this. That's it. And I just put it like that. It ain't gonna move. It's very simple like that, and it's easy to access as you just saw. So now definitely I'm doing the top portion, so stick around. All right, folks, so it's 5 o'clock. I've been at it since 8 o'clock this morning, and I had a little lunch, but I will, you folks had a good look at it. All right, the only thing left is it's the lightning fixture. I'm gonna do also the wood plank to keep the style, but I've got my day. I'm tired. Yes, so what I will do is I will hopefully I will be able to clean it quick, so you guys see the clean version. Yeah, I will do that. A light cleanup at the end of the day for safety reason is very important. Let's leading by example on that, so stick around. All right, folks, so let's do it again. The cleanest version. All right, so bear in mind that this is gonna have a half wall here, starting right there, almost like this. Whoops, sorry about that. It's gonna start like this, and then like that, just to cover up that side, so it will be more desirable to see. So as you see there, I'm very happy. Yeah, it's not straight. I mean, it's the basement. It's a whole hour, 1940 old house. It's a 1942. Is it 42 or 44? I don't remember, but back in the 40s. So I'm very happy. However, I did some paint scratch there with my boots. I have some concrete left on my boot, so I scratched the floor pretty bad, but that will be like fixed. That's why I like concrete floor. When how the furniture is gonna be installed, I just have to put a little coat, patches there and there. Very good. All right, folks. So thank you very kindly for all the support, the positive comment, feedback, and definitely can smell the end of this project. Live fixture for with the wood planks, definitely, and yeah. Just fix the, I have that special paste. Then my good friend Luke from Orange My Good Tractor. Orange is my new green, yes. And of course Joe from Steel to Wood is a very wood expert too, but he's kind of shy showing it. Trust me, you should see what he has done. Oof. Anyway, so yeah, I'm very happy. So yes, I'm very happy. Again, thank you very kindly. Remember, folks, life is good, and I cannot wait to resume my tractor therapy, backhoe therapy, adventure videos. All right, so take care of yourself. Cheers.